Well guys, welcome to the Snitch channel, formerly known as Yachting Hub Miami. In this case, I have this crazy footage of these kids on a joyride on this Sea-Ray yacht. Let me know at the end what you guys think, but in my thinking, I'm thinking that these guys are gonna get punished really bad. I guess this is the last time they'll be in the water for a long time. So Dad, go heavy on these dudes, alright? So let me know at the end of the video what you guys think. Have a great day. Well guys, this is the video for today. I hope you liked it. For sure we can see that the Sea-Ray yacht performs really well, so thanks to these kids for showing us how it's done. And remember that I will be uploading more videos daily, so if you like the channel, please subscribe and leave a comment below on what do you think it's gonna happen to these kids. Alright, so thanks for watching and I'll see you on my next video.